Welcome to Meat Carnivore. Today I'm sharing one of my absolute go-to dishes, meatballs with cheese sauce. I eat this dish at least 4 to 5 days a week. It's simple, super satisfying and packed with fat and protein. Let's get into it. For 2 portions, one for lunch and one for dinner or tomorrow depending on how I feel, here's what you'll need. For meatballs, 500 grams of minced beef, that's about 1.1 pounds, 50 grams of cheese to mix in, totally optional, 1 egg, and for the cheese sauce, 20 grams of butter, 150 milliliters of heavy cream, 35% fat, 100 grams of cheddar or any cheese that you like. You can also mix the cheeses, 60 grams of cream cheese, also optional but great if you want it extra creamy or need more calories. 35 grams of bacon, again optional but highly recommended for that extra crunch. Now when it comes to making the meatballs, start by throwing your minced beef, egg and that optional shredded cheese into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt if you want. Now get in there with your hands, mix it all up. This is not a salad. Take your air fryer basket. I like to use a paper insert, it makes cleanup way easier. Shape your meatballs and place them in the air fryer one by one. Leave a bit of space so they can cook evenly. Now set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius, that's around 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for 16 minutes. While that's cooking, it's bacon time. Chop it up and fry it in a pan to your preferred level of crispiness. I like mine with a little crunch. Once it's done, set it aside. At around the 10-minute mark, take the air fryer tray out and flip the meatballs. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the best flipper, no fancy tips here, just do your best and hope for the best. Now pop them back in for the last 6 minutes. And at this point, let's get saucy. Put a small pot on a medium heat, drop in the butter, let that melt. Next, pour in the heavy cream and stir in the cream cheese. Let it melt slowly, and make sure to not let it boil. If you see bubbles, turn down the heat. Once the cream cheese is melted, toss in the cheddar. And now you stir and stir and stir. Let it melt until it's smooth and creamy. If your meatballs aren't quite done yet, just lower the heat to keep the sauce warm. Now let's bring it all together. Meatballs are done, get them out and onto a plate or a bowl. Pour that glorious cheese sauce on top and finish it off with your crispy bacon bits. And of course, serve it with the best drink out there, water. And that's it. High fat, high protein, super easy and honestly one of my favorite carnivore meals out there. If you like this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple carnivore meals and drop a comment once you give it a try. Another day, another way to meet your macros. Subscribe so you never miss a meal with me here at Meat Carnivore, where every episode is well done. Well, except the steak, obviously.